Jai Hind, I'm Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the answer, complete question answer of the unit coal and petroleum. And these questions are from book Science Spark Ed Bull. And the video is for class 8 science. So here what we'll cover entire questions of that unit. The unit is coals and petroleum as I told. Next first question type of question is multiple choice questions are here MCQ. First question is which of the following is a byproduct of coal? Among this option, the coal gas is a correct answer. Now the next question is I will cover the unit in fast because we are not going to explain. We are going to do only the exercise questions. So please look at here. Which product is obtained by the refining petroleums? Among this option, diesel is a correct option. Now the next question is what is the major constitute of natural gases? The major constitute of natural gas is methane. The next question is which of the following is a non-renewable resource? The petroleum is a non-renewable resource, that is the C is a correct option among the given option. Now the next is how is coal formed? From ancient vegetations buried under the pressure and heat, means B is a correct option. Now the next type of question is fill in the blanks. So first is coal is formed from the remains of plants. The next is the process of separating petroleum into useful product is called refining. The next is natural gas mainly consists of methanes. The next is coke is pure form of carbon used in steel industries. Yes, coke is used to make iron from iron ore in steel factories. The next is I'm trying to give some description here. Now next is a clear alternative to petrol and diesel is CNG. See, the CNG is stand for compressed natural gas and which is lighter and less polluting. So now the next type of question is true false questions are here. The first is petroleum is also known as gold. Black gold, yes, this is also known as black gold. The next question is coal gas is used as a fuel for vehicles. No, it is not used for vehicles. Next is natural gas is a renewable source of energy. No, false it is. Now the next is butamen petroleum byproduct is used for road construction. Yes, this is true. The next is define the following terms. So the terms are here and we have to give the definition. The first is fossil fuels. Fossils like coal, petroleum and natural gas made from the dead plants and animals buried under the earth for millions of years. That is fossil fuels. Next is fractional distillation. The process used to separate petroleum into different useful products like petrol, diesel, etc. based on their boiling points. That is known as fractional distillation. Next is natural gas. A fossil fuel found deep inside the earth, mainly made of methane, and it is a clean fuel used for cooking and in factories. Now the next is coal tar, a thick black liquid that is byproduct of coal and it is used to make things like perfumes, dyes and medicines. Now the next is non-renewable resource. The natural resource like coal and petroleum that takes millions of years to form and cannot be replaced quickly. Now the next type of question is match the column. Here two columns are here, A and B columns are here. In the A columns, the statement is here and the B, that is the correct answers are here. So the first is butamen. The correct answer is road construction. So B is the correct answer. Next is coke. The C is the correct option, steel manufacturing. The next is petroleum. Refining crude oil. D is the correct option. Now the next is natural gas. Here the compressed natural gas is CNG here. Next is diesel. It means fuel for heavy vehicles. Now the next is give the statement reason for the following statement. We have to give the proper reason for the statement. The first statement is coal and petroleum are considered non-renewable resource. The reason is it is because they takes millions of years to form and cannot be replaced quickly. Now the next statement is natural gas is performed over other fossil fuels in some industries. The reason is it is because it burns cleanly, produces less pollution and is easy to use. The next is fractional distillation is used in petroleum refining. The reason is it is because it helps separating petroleum into different useful products based on their boiling points. Now the next statement is excessive use of fossil fuels harms the environment. The reason is burning fossil fuels replaces harmful gases that causes air pollution and global warming. Now the next statement is butamen is used for road construction instead of other petroleum byproducts. The reason is because it's sticky and waterproof and hold road materials together well. Now the next type of question is that is answer in brief. We have to give the answer of this question in brief. The first question is what is primary uses of coal? The answer is coal is used for producing electricity in factories and main steels. Next question is explain the process of obtaining petroleum product through fractional distillation. The answer is petroleum is heated in refinery and it gets separated into the product like petrols, diesels, kerosene, etc. at different temperatures. Next is list the advantages of natural gas over coal and petroleum. The answer is point wise. First one, it burns cleanly and cause less pollution. Second is it is easy to transport through the pipelines. Next it gives more energy and cheaper. Now the next fourth number question is what is the harmful effects of using fossil fuels on environment? The harmful effects first is causes air pollution. Next is increase global warming. Next is harm health and nature. Next question is how does coal gas differs from the natural gas and its uses? The first answer of the question is coal gas is mainly used in factories while the natural gas is used for cooking vehicles and clean fuels in homes and industries. Now the next type of question is answer in detail, means we have to give the answer of the question in detail. First question is explain the formation of coal and its type. The answer is coal is formed from the dead plant got buried deep under the earth millions of years ago and over the time with high pressure and heat these plants slowly change into the coal. This process is called carbonization. Now the type of coal: peat, that is a soft low quality coal with a lot of moisture. Next is lignite. This is a type of coal. So brown and with the more carbon than peat. Next is bituminous. A common type of used in home and industries. Now is anthracite. The best quality of coal with the highest carbon. Now this next question is describe the refining process of petroleum and the product obtained from it. The answer is petroleum is a thick, dark liquid found underground. To use it, we first refine it. It's using a process is called fractional distillation. Now the refining process here. The first is petroleum is heated in big towers called refineries. Next is it turns into the vapors and rises up in towers. Next is different parts condense at different height based on boiling points. Next is it separates into the useful products. The product options. What are the product options? First is petrols, means it used in car. Next is diesel, used in truck and buses. Now next is kerosene, used in cooking and lamps. Now next is lubricating oil, used in machines. Now the next is butamen, used in road building. Now the next question is what is the main uses of natural gases? Discuss its environmental advantages. Answer is uses of natural gases. First, it is used for cooking at home, CNG vehicles, and in factories and power plants. These are the uses of CNG. Now, the next is environmental advantages are here. It burns cleanly and causes less pollution. Along with this, less carbon dioxide, along with no smoke or ashes is left behind, or safer for the environment and health. Now the next question is why is important to conserve fossil fuel? Suggest method to reduce its uses. The answer is fossil fuels like coal, petroleum and natural gas takes millions of years to form. Once it is finished, they cannot be made soon. So also burning them cause pollution and global warming. Ways to reduce its uses. The first is use public transport or bicycle. Next is turn off light and fans when not needed and use energy saving appliances like LED bulbs. Next is choose renewable energy like solar and wind power. Next is use CNG or electric vehicles. And the next question is Discuss the impact of fossil fuels on climate changes and importance of adopting renewable energy. The answer is the impact of fossil fuels on climate changes. The first is burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Next is these gases trap the heat and cause global warming. Next is this lead to the climate change and melting glacier and extreme weather. Now the importance of renewable energy. Renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropowers are clean and do not pollute. Next is they can be used again and again. Next is help reducing the dependencies on fossil fuels. The next is better for improve environment and future generation. With this, if you have any query, you can ask the question in the comment box. I will try to give you the response as soon as possible. With this, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.